Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Coinbase account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your debit card to your Coinbase? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add your debit card to Coinbase anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that some overseas contractors require that you pay them through crypto, and by adding your debit card, it's a quick and easy way to be able to buy crypto on Coinbase. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Coinbase dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Coinbase, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to connect your debit card, here on the top right, you're going to click on your initial. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu here to the left, and you want to click here on payment method. All right, once you do that, you want to click on the blue add a payment method. Okay, so here are the various payment methods you can add. But today we're talking about debit card, so click on this one that says debit card, invest smaller. Okay, next the screen pops up, so you can go ahead and enter in your full name that appears on the card, debit card number, expiration date, and 3-digit security code. Also make sure the address matches up. They do let you know that you can only add personal debit cards. You cannot use credit, prepaid, or business cards. So I'm going to enter this information in off screen. Okay, I entered in the required debit card information. I'm going to click on the blue add card button. Okay, immediately Coinbase charged my debit card 2 different transactions that add up to $1. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my online banking and look for those 2 small transactions. I'm going to go ahead and just use my cell phone. Okay, I misread that. It says 2 pending holds of $1 or more. So it looks like I got a transaction of $1.81 and $1.83. So I'm going to enter that. Okay, I entered this in, and I'm going to click on verify card. All right, quick second later, there's a pop-up that said my debit card has now been added to my Coinbase. And off to the right, you can see for my debit card, it's a $5,000 limit. So now I can use my debit card to buy crypto on my Coinbase. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to connect your debit card to Coinbase to buy crypto, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.